Okay. It's very, very crispy outside, so the outer part, and you can, you know, the pizza is good when you put it in your mouth and it melts.
All right. Just mentioned that he's using, you heard a lot of talk about maturation, and pre-ferments, Vigas, Poolish, Levans. The biggest thing about Italian pizzas is, and as opposed to American pizzas, is digestibility. Okay? Everyone's gone to a pizza place and you're like, oh, I have this cheese ball on my stomach. Well, it's mostly not a cheese ball, it's the wheat, okay? Because the wheat is new, it hasn't been broken down at all. So these pre-ferments break down the wheat, and that process create a crisper crust, more elasticity, and a better bake. Especially, and then you can add fats to it like sugar or olive oil in lower temperatures, or leave them out for higher temperatures. Or just give people their refunds back like Theo does. He just doesn't even do pizzas anymore, he just gives them the refunds right away. It's less work, you know? Right, Theo?
That was one thing that actually I learned all the times I've been going to Italy, was how much they do actually effort they put into digestion and health in their pizzas. A lot. Much more thought goes into it than you actually think that does.
Hold that mic very sensually, you know that? I really like you a lot. Theo is a world champion. Did I mention that, or did he mention that? How many times did he mention that today? Graziano is, I love watching this guy work. He's just a master.
One of the greats.
One of the greats, yes. So this is our blind box, it's the end of it, it's the last pizza. We had blood oranges, Ugolio syrup from Primitivizia, it is a pine bud syrup, and pancetta, those were the ingredients. They were able to pick from a pile of the other ingredients, tons of stuff we have over there. Lots of seafood, lots of cheeses, nuts, everything. And some of them did simple pies, others were more elaborate. We had all different styles. We had a California style, a Detroit style, we've got Italian, and we had Brooklyn. I mean, the 4 points of the earth there. Tim Silva, please sit down. You haven't won yet. I won, nice try.